Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today we have another very special unboxing, and this is going to be Mini GT number 1087. So this was on pre-order and it was supposed to be coming out I think November of last year, but it is what it is and we have got it now in the month of April. So it was launched I think in March end or so, don't count me on that, but in India we have got it in the month of April. So my box is a bit dinged up, but nevertheless, so this is the model. It's the LB Works Lamborghini Aventador limited edition in matte black. So I've seen quite a few people posting pictures and videos about this model online, so let's have a look at it. And okay, so before I show you that, let me just show you one of my Hot Wheels. So I don't really have, I think, any other Aventador in my collection right now, or maybe I do, but I might have to check. But this is one which was, I think, from Hot Wheels, and this was, I think, the Batman edition. So it was one of the Hot Wheels premiums. That's why it looks nice. So okay, let me just keep it back. So back to the unboxing of Mini GT 1087. This combination is a banger. Matte black, carbon bonnet, and your bronze wheels, or is it gold? Let's go with bronze for now. So they have this model released in few other colors, and it was, I believe, one was the yellow, black, and red, and after that there was one which was released in silver with the carbon fiber hood. And so I missed out on that one, but this one really, I mean, makes up for it, I guess. So you can see the aggressive front end Lamborghinis are known for, and Mini GT always does quite a phenomenal job in replicating it in their models too. So even the headlights, right, they are quite nicely done on the Lamborghini models. Also the cuts and creases, I mean, if you photograph it at a specific angle, people might think it's a real car only. Even the stance is quite nice, and it does roll. So we have a flat bottom here. So it's a 2011 Lamborghini Aventador. We have this massive wing. So you have LB Performance written under the wing. You have this quad tip exhaust that's done up in silver. You have acrylic, I'm not really sure how good it's seen on camera, but you have these acrylic tail lights, and so you have the red colors also inside along with your Lamborghini badge. So these are the traditional styling of Liberty Walk. Imagine all the people living in peace. A few other sponsors here. So So Auto, I believe, is the one who has made these wheels, and it was the same in the previous. It's the same wheels from the previous models too. Pretty much. There's no detail in the engine bay. Rest all looks quite nice. They put up a pre-order for another model, but that was in the orange. The mirrors are also quite well done on these. I mean, it's not a new casting, it's the old one in a recolor, but I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on these, because the hype that has gone up for this model, and scalpers have moved from Hot Wheels into mini GTs. And sometimes true collectors, it becomes quite difficult for them to get the hands on the models which they actually want because of such people. We've also seen the hype with Rexy, Roxy, then a few more models like the Gravity, Huracan GT, and even I think in my previous video the uh, Forte Racing Lamborghini GT, even that one, GT3 Evo. So yep, that's been the Lamborghini Aventador LB Works limited edition matte black. So do tell me your thoughts in the comment section. This quite nicely, if you just imagine it, it's a perfect Batmobile. So that's a good one. So thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.